Good morning. Good morning. Morning traders. How's everybody doing? Entered a short basically as soon as I sat down on Russell. We'll see what happens with that. Kind of be looking for, this could dump hard, right? So first PT will be down here. First PT will be here. We'll see what happens. This could hold. This is like the hourly, so yeah, should play at least for a bit. Tested, everything's tested, you know, all this is tested. So first PT would be a swing of this. 5 points down. Take half off there. Let's have a look at some of the charts here, man. Bitcoin, big dump, and then blaster. This is the level I was talking about yesterday in the NQ. He reached it, yeah. Should have held on to some of that short. Reachievement again. This could go now. NQ could bang. It could. There's not. It's pretty spooky below, so NQ could bang. I think. I won't be taking trades on that one though. Too crazy, man. It's just so crazy, man. My hair is so crazy, dude. Get a haircut, man. Oh shit. Bitcoin gets to this was kind of the first area we were talking about, 64-ish. So they failed here at this. So we'll see if this failure continues. This could be it though. This could be it for Bitcoin. Oops. This could be it for Bitcoin. They're failing this, and they're rejecting again. If they start failing this, I don't imagine down here holds. I think it's over. See back down to these levels down here. Probably new lows. Q. Yeah, for this first one is at 60. First spot here. Decent short opportunity in it right now. It's underway, but it's a decent short. No news today. A little bit of selling here in the futures. We're gonna be moving the stop up on this one. I say I'm gonna move the stop up, but like I'm just gonna control the trade, right? Like it's too much work and effort for me to put stops in and then adjust the stops. I'll just hammer out the trade. Should kind of put a stop in here, man. A decent short. Portugal lost Spain. I thought they won the whole thing. I don't even know what's happening here. I thought you told me they won. When you were telling me before, I thought that was like the whole, they won the whole thing. That's how much I pay attention, man. I have no idea what's going on. I see. Not a bad long opportunity right now on NQ. Not too bad. This is tested level. Bounced it, re-achieved, and then re-achieved again. Maybe we'll open up an eval account and try to take a long on NQ. Just one of the other eval accounts. All right, 18 long on NQ on the eval. This is either gonna win or it's gonna lose. Probably took too many. Not gonna give it a chance to breathe. It's not paper trading. It's an eval account, evaluation account. I need to make it. It needs to make $3 grand profit. if it loses $500 more, it's gonna blow up. Looks like it might blow up. It's close to blowing up. This is how I pass the vals, right? This is how I try to pass the vals anyway. When it's I just don't like wasting time in evaluation accounts, you know? Looks like some selling coming in Russell. Let's dump it. Yeah, close. Yeah, though. Stop in profit though now at this point. Key trade's not looking the greatest. I took too many. I didn't give it enough room to breathe, man. Just bounce it here. Might be an all market kind of dump kind of day. Yeah, I like them just to take the liquidity. 310? Is that on 310? That's way down here. New 4-hour low? Like a new 4-hour swing low? Is that what you're talking about? Down here, underneath this. That's going to be like the runner PT. I'll take some PTs in this range though. I'm going to take one here. 335 first. 335, 329. The bottom of this is not tagged yet either. So 25 is kind of a big deal. Craftsman, what's up, brother? Coming close to the PT's first PT. Probably just push it here. I could at least below that, man. Really close to the first PT now. So I'm just gonna push one here.
Order filled.
6 left. I should have took a bigger position on this, but I didn't. Stop and profit for the rest. We'll take another PT here and then we'll look to re-add it. We'll take another one down here. We'll look to re-add it. Maybe even a little bit lower down here. NQ bounced a bit. Still in shaky territory, but did bounce a little. Okay, we're gonna take one more here. Didn't quite get the liquidity. Should go lower, man. See if they can push the liquidity here on Russell. Close enough.
Order filled.
All right, taking another PT here on the liquidity. 2 left on. So if this goes down here and bounces, I'll look to re-add up here if they bounce at that back high. If not, the next 2 PTs are going to be like a little bit deeper. If this starts failing, this is going to go down here again, right? So this is kind of one to hold. I'd like to get a little bit more into this. Okay, NQ seeing a little bid. How's the trade looking? Plus 200. You need a lot more than that. I won't be touching this trade. We're just looking for fucking a blast here. At least to back above this. Russ is still dumping. NQ seeing some sells. That NQ trade is just on an eval account, right? So it doesn't really matter too much. It's just a single eval account. Just trying to pass it. So I took a massive trade on it. If it blows up, it blows up. Not a huge deal. If it blows up, I lose $17, guys. Or whatever, 20 bucks. Whatever it was. 90%. Like if you get to pay out, you get 90% of it. Yeah, Bitcoin, the short's underway already. This trade looks like it's gonna fail. I probably bit off a bit too much on that trade, you know? I do still like it though, even down here. It's close to blowing up. Well, that short played out pretty good, man. Wish I took more. Okay, we got market opening in about 25 minutes. See if they can bust these lows, man, for Russell. Like a nice big dump. That would be dope, man. If we got it down, if they just blew it and just went down here. Can't believe that NQ trade's still alive. They're bouncing it. Yeah, we should take a few PTs on this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it did blast, but I think this could blast even more. Like NQ like seems like it wants to blast. Like blast. We're looking for just like new highs up here. Gonna re-add in some of the ones that we took out.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, we got 20 long on NQ now. Let's see if that's it. This is either gonna pass or fail, you know. Seems like a pretty good spot for it to bounce. Market open in 15 minutes. Just gonna put this is where we're trying to get to, yeah? Yep. Even here would be fine. So what we would do is do half and half here, sell half, and on a sweep sell half. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do. We're loaded up on NQ for the long. Wouldn't be exactly one trade. This account's close to blowing up too. Yeah, Top Step doesn't give a fuck for it. They don't care as long as you're for the funded account, or like as long for the eval accounts, they don't care. But for funded, yeah, you need to follow the rules. But for eval, you could do whatever the fuck you want. They don't care. You're paying them, right? Because you need to pay to convert the account. You need to pay like 150 bucks or whatever it is. So, you know, it would be like them just turning down money. This is how they make money. So, you know, if enough people fucking doing that. Oh, you buy one of the ones that, yeah, you can buy that on what's it called? On Apex also, but they just cost a lot more money. And then it's like, what's the point, man? I'd rather just do this, you know what I mean? And just like, yeah, it's way cheaper with it without activation. Okay, I need to take off a couple more PTs here. Fuck, man. Just pump it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
At least we have a little bit more reasonable. It's just a little bit more reasonable, you know? Take another.
Order filled.
So 12 contracts left. We'll do 6 and 6. 310 in profit for this account. Like that doesn't really matter, you know? Sell 6. We'll do it on a sweep of this, and then we'll do it on a sweep of this. Or bust. Just at the highs. Maybe I'll add back in here. Jeez, keeps fucking around here, yeah?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Back to 20. Oof, this is starting to look a little bit rough now. Nice, you're cleared for a payout. Congrats, bud. It's awesome. What I'm gonna do when I hit payout is just not take it, man. Because the last time I took a payout, I blew up the accounts right after, because the stipulations come back again, right? This account's gonna blow. That was so close to blowing the account. check the real account. Probably really, man. Like, I honestly think that I should just be waiting to take trades only on liquidity sweeps. That's it. Like, I only take a trade after liquidity sweeps. They're way more. If they're like, they just work out way more of the time, you know. Really, like if I had patience, I would just wait for 4 hour a new 4 hour candle high or low, and then just take trades just after that in the opposite direction. That's what I like. I want to set up the bot to just run like that. You know what I mean? So it can just fucking run like that in the background. Nah, I haven't seen Nancy. Oh, no, I'm sure this is dead now. This bot or this account. Yeah, blown up. It didn't work out, guys. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, back to real trading here. I'm gonna take one more PT here. I'm gonna be looking to put more back in here. If it pumps.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just runner left. I'd like to re-enter this though. Oh no, did he have his dog? Oh, I know he loves that dog so much, man. I hope he's okay. Really, this next PT is just like at the 4 hour lows. Like to re-add. Like to re-enter short. What's up, BDP? You missed the short, bro. Looking for re-enters here. We'll see. Market open 6 minutes. Think I have enough time for a cigarette? I think so. Be right back. Oh, the dumps continue, yeah? This is support for Russell, but bit spooky, already tested. See if they hold here. I really should be moving the stop up and then looking to re-add. Move the stop up to there. Follow it on the 5 minute. More dumping. It's an untested 5 here. I don't think that's gonna hold though. Yeah, this spot though it's been tested. I don't know, it's not the greatest. If they were gonna hold this range, they should have held it up here. Yeah. All right, looks like Russell's trying to re-achieve here. Here's the market open. Stopped out.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I meant to re-enter there.
Order filled.
Re-entering shorts here. Just one? Come on, man. $121 on the day. Times 2 accounts. I re-entered shorts, but just got 2. Didn't get very many. Should have got more. Yeah, NQ did bounce pretty hard. They're holding this range.
Order filled.
All right, 4 short on Russell. Let's see if we can take the lows here. We take the lows here. Look out below. They don't hold here. It's like big trouble, big problems for these guys. Big sell-off in NQ also. That doesn't look very good. I think the lows are going to get taken out here. Look out below, guys. NQ going to take the lows here. Okay, here comes liquidity on NQ. Look up below. Look up below. This is gonna make new lows. All market dump. All markets dump. Look out below, man. Look out below. This is going down here. There's nothing here to hold on to, man.
This is where your story begins. I'm sorry I won't be there to see it, but I don't want you to be sad. I want you to be amazed that any of us ever had a chance to be here at all. Good luck.
The shorters will be the shorters are gonna be hurting. What did Trump say? The shorters will be sorry. Uh-oh. The shorters will be sorry. Yeah. Should listen to those guys. They know what they're talking about. I'm going to take a quick PT here. At this. It's untested. So we'll take a PT.
Order filled.
166 on the day. Just runner left. I wish I got more into that, man. I had that thing set up wrong. Really look out below, man. This is I can't see this fucking holding. I don't know. I wouldn't expect that to hold. Oh, was that in the Trump posts? I didn't fucking look at it. This guy, this guy's supposed to be like the president, man. Which time does he spend on social media, man? We have fucking other like things to do, like the war and shit, you know? Like who this guy's the fucking leader of the free world. The guy's on social. The guy has like 100 posts a day. What are you doing, man? What are you doing, bro? You know, it's a bit much. It's a little much. No, we're not long, man. I'm not longing this. I'm looking to add more to short. I don't think NQ holds here, man. Do you? You think NQ is gonna hold this swing? I don't know, man. They didn't really gain this very good to begin with. It's pretty harsh rejection today, this morning, too. I think we're going like down. I think Russell's going to see a new 4-hour low. Like a new 4-hour swing low down here. And then all this is tested too. So like, you know, I think we're going to see down here, dude. Pushing up on a tested 4-hour for Russell. I think Russell's going to see 2,900. NQ, I think, is going to see... Wow, man. Like we're gonna blast this. So like the next thing is this that's untested on the 4, or it's tested already. They tested this on the way up. So, you know, I don't know, man. You know, we put in a lower higher. So like it's you know, we're probably headed down here, man. You know, how many times did they test this area? Fuck, I wish I got a bigger short, man. Why didn't I? The stupid software wasn't set up correctly, man. Nice. It's running still? It's awesome if it is. Fuck yeah. This is an untested 5 here. The swing. The main swing is tested. So like, you know, and this is all this, the liquidity was already taken here too. So I don't know. I think we're at the very least going to see new this low. The very least we're going to see a new low there, and probably lower than that. Maybe this holds. Maybe this 5-minute down here, the bottom end of it. Quite the bounce for NQ. Bounce on ES too. Russell continuing to slide. Hey, babe. Slide continues on Russell. Might be opportunity to short ES. I kind of already did it. It's kind of a big 10-point stop. selling continuing on ES or on Russell. This might be opportunity to short ES here. I'm going to take a small short on ES.
Order filled.
Ooh. Ooh. Good. You think it makes its way above? Okay, I'll exit this position
Order
then.
filled.
I'll just listen to BDP. How are we looking on Russell? Trying to bottom out here. Still more. Okay, I'm gonna close this position on Russell. Wish I had more, but this is good enough.
Order filled.
232 on the day, boys. Times 2 accounts. Let's fucking go. Russell could bounce this here. It's a 5-minute swing. It's untested. I should have made more today, man. Thank you to Cool for fucking messaging me and telling me that there's a short in play. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Super spooky trading now on this, man. You know what I mean? For longs. Not good. See if they hold this, man. See if they hold this 4 hour. There's the liquidity. This is 4 hour liquidity. No news today or anything, yeah? No. Selling continuing on all markets. Pretty spooky trading down here. BDP, my ES short would have worked. It could hold this though. I did gain this 5. Doesn't matter. I'm basically done for the day. 232 on the day. The win streak continues. I should fucking calculate what the streak is here. It's been a while. Custom range. I did have one setback here. So this account's at 1288. I did have this one setback here, but it's been all profitable every single day except for this one day where I lost $1,000. Oh, it's easier to do it like that. No, there's going to be no jumping into anything now. I don't even think I'm going to trade anymore. 232 on the day. It's right in my wheelhouse, bro. That's like what I try to get. What's going on, Ken? You missed the big short. This technically is not tested either, so we'll see. They did kind of test it here on the way up. Yeah, they did test that. Oof, Russell, not looking good, man. It's probably going to go down hard. This is an untested 15. Could take a couple longs here. We get something out of it. It's pushing pretty hard though. Hook it.
Order filled, order filled, order filled.
Taking a small long. We're going to be pushing the stop and a profit as soon as we can. This is an untested 15. But it dumps so fucking hard. It might just blast through. Yeah, here's liquidity. I'm gonna be looking to exit this on the bounce.
Order filled.
Just taking a stop. 195 on the day per account. Looks like those shorts would have worked out on ES. BDP. Why I listen to you, man. This is very worrisome, man, for these markets. Yeah, you can wait for gain for sure, but like this was already gained, right? Like it already gained here on the 15th, and it was a good stop right here, right here. Oh, you can't see it's behind my head. Right here. You see it? Yeah, right here. So it already gained, and it never tested this area, so that's why it was still an okay trade. I'm fine with taking trades like that when it's like that. When it's that close, the stop is so close, right? It's either gonna hold or it's not. It's like $40 or whatever. Who cares? I like to wait for a gain too, but when it's at an untested 15 and there's a decent stop, I'll take the trade. I was just looking for a scalp, really. Fuck, should have held on to that short, bro. Damn it. This is going to like new 4-hour lows, man. What did I say? I said we're going down here, and then like super scary, man. This is very scary down here now. If they don't pump this and save it, look out. They don't pump this and save this 4-hour right here. Should actually put that line on the chart. Like they need to get back above that, or it's going to be like lights out for these markets. They need to get back above this 307 ish, wherever the bottom of this is. 307. We'll see if they can get back above that. Fucking sell your investments, boys. Sell your investments. I'm surprised crypto's holding up pretty good during all this fucking shit, all these shenanigans. I don't know, man. Yeah, we're at least gonna see new 4-hour lows, and everything down here is tested. That's down here. 29. Just look for re-short opportunities. It's all good, bro. I still had $200 on the day. It's fine. $200 times 2. It's fine. Should be looking for reshort opportunities at this point. Yeah, 75.50 to long. I don't know about long on that. It's been tested already. Maybe for a small bounce, but they tested that already. Here and here they tested it. It's well tested. This tested this too. So like that whole area is tested. So it might take this liquidity and then bounce. There is an untested internal trend here. So even that's tested. That was tested here. Oh, 72.50. Yeah, probably. I have to look at the big boy chart here. Can't see that price. Yeah, I know. Look at the longer time frame here. Yeah, if you want to be serious, it's going to be this. We'll see what happens at that 69.83. That's the weekly. This was tested here. 72. Like this daily swing is already tested. So that means lower than this, right? Unless there's something smaller in there that's not tested yet. Yeah. 72. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't like that. Yeah, this is gonna get taken out, I think. I would think. The top of this was tested here. The bottom of this was tested here. There's a small gap here. So I guess you could say there's a small fair value gap here. Tiny. Yeah, maybe something like that, sure. Yeah. But if they take that out, then we're looking at, you know, we're looking at this. Oh, this did make a higher high, right? Did this make a higher high? What was the high here? High 648. Oh yeah, it did. So I don't know. Something in here may hold. It's hard to know, man. Something down here may hold. Maybe. Just remove all this shit for right now. The only thing that I could see down here holding taken this is the only thing. And even that, no, that wasn't taken yet. So yeah, I would say somewhere in here, something like that. Short Russell, what do you mean? I mean, short Russell already long time ago, man. Don't get my I thought they pumped it. We're talking about a reshort. This is kind of an important level for Russell, man. They need to get back above 707. If they don't get back above 07, it's like lights out. It's done for sure. So for ES, I don't know. I like this area, not too bad. 73.38. There's also, yeah, that's the gap fill. Yeah. This would be the only area that I'd be interested in. You can't reshort down here. I'd reshort like the top of this again. 23. I'd short this again. But we need a pump first. Like the tops of this. So like I'd short this again. 23. Can't short this off the bottom. That's not a good idea. What if they gain that? Where's your stop? If you short here, not saying you can't short here, but if you do short here, you need to have super tight stops. Like fucking super tight. Like you should have a stop, and your stop should be at the top, at like the 1 minute high. You know? I don't know where VWAP is. I don't really use it, but yeah, I would short this again at 24, around 24, around 20. Well, that's going to be basically it for me. Is there any other charts you guys want me to take a peek at? What's Tesla doing? It's hanging in there. You can't reshort these things when right at liquidity, you know. They just took liquidity. So like you should expect it to pump up here. This is big liquidity too. It's 4-hour liquidity. It's giving buy signals. If this closes green, that's a buy signal. Three bar green, and it's closing above the 07. It's more a buy signal than a sell signal. Yeah. I'll take a couple buys here, maybe. Just for a scalp. Better not. Nifty closed the gap. Let's have a look. So didn't really close the gap. They're just testing the swing test of this range. Took the liquidity. This is the gap up here. Why YM's pumping? No, YM's not saving shit. Didn't even gain. They're about to lose the 1 hour too. Oh, they've already lost the 1 hour. I think there's going to be a counter trend bounce though. I don't think this is going to hold. Sweep the lows probably. I do think a counter trend bounce is coming though. I'd like to long Russell again. Russell's at kind of an area here. So I'm just gonna watch Russell. We'll see if we can get into one more trade. But I'd like it to show me something first, you know. I think there's gonna be a counter trend bounce. This is an untested 15 too. And it's the main swing. When it's like a fucking roller coaster like this, you know, a freight train, it's kind of better to wait for some kind of gain. Hey Dusty, what's up, brother? I see you over there on Kick. How'd you trade today? See if this holds, guys. It did make a new low here, so this swing could hold. little bit of a bounce here on Russell. How long have I been streaming on Kick? I don't know. A year, maybe? Most of the people are on Twitch. New lows, Russell. Oh, you're one of these guys, Dusty. When you have anything better to do, man, than go into somebody's stream and, you know, just start spewing fucking garbage? What a fucking loser you are, man. You could have came here and learned how to trade and had unlimited money, but instead you fucking you came here to promote some bullshit, man. Like, you're the worst. What a fucking loser, man. This is super spooky this long. You try a little long here on Russell.
Order filled.
Yeah, no doubt. Markets are acting like meme coins, man. It's crazy. All right, long's looking okay. At least for the first pop. See if we can gain something. I would think a relief rally, man, like back up to this, you know? Back up to the 07 area. A little bit of buying in all markets here. All right. I'm gonna take one PT here.
Order filled.
All right, 1 PT. I'm gonna get a stop in for the rest. I don't trust this, you know, so gonna get a stop in pretty quick here. All right, so let's see what happens here. Trying to gain it. Not even a liquidity gain, yeah. Just nothing. Just a smackdown again. Yeah, 307 is where I think. Not TP1 though. I've already taken a PT. I'm only expecting a relief rally. I'm not expecting this to like pop back off. Taking the second PT here.
Order filled.
Okay, second PT. 2 left. Stop and profit for the rest. I'll probably close the rest of this here. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay. 274 on the day per account. That's it for today, boys. The winning streak continues. It's been some good fucking trading, man. We've been trading pretty good, you know what I mean? Like it's been quite a few days now where it's every single day we're making $200 to $300 per account times 2. Not bad, man. I'm gonna put this into the Discord here. Or let me just open this up like this. Does this work? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can't do it like that. That sucks. Yeah, I can just do it like this. What day is it today? 7th of Thursday, 30th. This is 2 weeks. Oh my god. Just forget this. YM gained. Oh no, don't tell me I need to take a YM trade now too. Nah. They gained the 1 minute. Doesn't look too bad. Where are they stopping this though? That's the question. Nah. Does this really look like it, man? I don't know. Does this look like it? Like a spot? It's like fully tested down there. This is tested, man. The swing is tested that they're bouncing. Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe. Still YM 1 hour. Just testing this. Oh man. Really? You gonna do this to me? Yeah. I don't know there, man. It's not really that. That's not really the one that you're supposed to be looking at. You're supposed to be looking at this one. Or this one, actually, you know? So, it's kind of messy in there. A little bit messy. But Russell. How about Russell? Good thing I took those PTs. Will this hold now? I don't know, man. I don't think so. All I was expecting was a bounce. It was a bouncer, you know? I don't know. I don't think this holds at all. Look, go below. Sell your investments. I had a short, and I had a short on ES. BDP told me not to do it. BDP told me, man. He was like, for sure it's going higher. I'm just playing with you, BDP. Yeah, for sure it's going lower, but the shorts are already in play, right? Like they were this morning or last night. I think I'm gonna leave it there, guys. I'm just gonna copy these trades out, just put it in the old Discord for the receipts. What's any other last minute charts that you guys want me to see? Not a bad day. Should have been better, man, honestly. But I did hold my trades a little bit longer today. Did you guys notice that? I did. I didn't hold the short as long as I should have, even though I'm fucking calling for it and doing exactly what I say. I still don't trade how I talk. Not good enough yet. Oh, dude, I found this new streaming service, man. Do you guys know about this thing yet? It's called what was it called? What's this fucking thing called? Streamio? Do you guys know about Streamio? Dude, it's awesome. You can plug in a torrent backend and then it just goes to the internet, has like a beautiful Netflix type interface, and it just streams the torrents right off everything's free. It's great. It has everything. Anything you can think of is on the goddamn thing. This gained. I don't know though. Maybe. Just not too convinced yet on that. Convinced on that guy yet. They didn't hold this, you know? I don't know, man. Maybe. They are bouncing the hourly move that made the low. Russell popped again? No. This isn't like this. This is all. This isn't trades that I want to take. No. The initial one, yeah, sure. That's it. All right, guys. Thank you guys for stopping in, man. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, we're having a banger week, man. Let the streak continue, you know what I mean? I was trying to figure out how many days it's been in a row, but it's been lots, man. All right, good luck with the rest of your guys' day. Don't overtrade, man. Really, you should be mainly you should be out of your trades by now. Oh yeah, I can look at CL. It's a big week for earnings too. Yeah, that's probably what's dumping this. There's probably some earnings that hit. There was a bunch that were reporting today. Nothing major though. YM's looking like it might pop. All these markets are kind of looking like they might pop now. CL. Yeah, they never got here. They did close this gap though, right? Sorry, I should have marked that in there, man, for you. They closed that gap. So, gap closed. Pretty close. They did touch this. We're in the zone, right, for longs. This is the longing zone. 65 was just it was like the lowest level. What are we looking like on the 4 hour here? Oh shit, sorry. My bad, man. I always do that. I'm the worst. They did close this gap and they tested this swing that made this. So 65 was just like the lowest level, right? That was like the bottom of this. It's a higher time frame. This was the top of it, so it was just kind of in this range that we were looking at. So they are testing something significant here. They're closing the gap, right? So did they gain a 4 hour? Probably. They did. Did they gain this 4 hour or no? Let me just get some of this shit out of here, man. So they didn't quite gain it here. This would have been the entry here when they re-achieved. So they dipped it, re-achieved this internal 4, and then dipped it. So that tested this too. So any kind of pullback you want to be trying to get long. Gap here. Be aiming for that. This is the high. This is actually in the wrong spot. It should be here. It's tested already too, yeah. So the sweep of that. A sweep of that and a test of this would be perfect. That gap at 84, yeah. This is kind of significant too, right? This is like, because this is just a giant shoot up, so sometimes they don't pay attention to those as much. This one actually had like a bunch of structure that made its way up here, so this one is more important, I think. This one played here too, right? Anything else? Kind of spooky down here, man. Spooky down here for Russell. So scary. It's so scary down here. HDFC Bank. Okay. What is this thing? I never looked at it before. Tested area, but it's this is a weekly, so kind of want it. You want them to stay above this, no? You wouldn't want to see them start closing this below there on the weekly. This one chops around a lot, yeah. Does this pay dividends? It does. Yeah, it does. Usually these dividend ones, these dividend stocks chop around a lot of dividend ones, dude, because they people not much trading going on. Just a lot of like hold for long term. Just broke this. This is a nightmare to chart. You know, there's major resistance here at this level. That's what I would kind of be looking at, I guess, for this. There's just major resistance here. It's been resistance for a long time. This is hard. This is hard to chart. It's like the all-time high is here. So this is the all-time high. It's been tested. It's been tested here before. So we have a massive gap here. The top of it, the top of this. You know, that's tested, that's tested. This is tested. The top of this is not tested, and that's lining up with the rest of this. I guess, you know what I mean? It's kind of hard to, this is hard to chart, man, when it goes like this the whole fucking time, you know what I mean? Like there's like how many fucking swings are in here, you know? So when I see shit like this, I always just like look at like the main pivot points. So I would look at this number here, 862. You don't want it to see it fall back below 789 on a weekly level. You don't want a weekly close down there. More selling pressure. All right, guys. I'm tired. I'm out for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Peace.
This is where your story begins. I'm sorry I won't be there to see it, but I don't want you to be sad that I'm